Team Mzolisi in the Misters of Zimbabwe pageant explained using angry birds. So, I'll start with me. See this like unreasonably big bird? I'm the unreasonably big bird because I'm the oldest person or like second oldest person in the pageant. I'm like 28. Some of these people are 20 years old. The reason I'm the big bird is I'm somewhat invasive in character. I'm rather aggressive. Not violent, but aggressive. Meaning I'll just feel free to reach for whatever it is that I am pursuing. And in fact, I'll be somewhat entitled that I'll just have it and that's all. And I won't ask you a question about it, I'll just take it. Bit unreasonable. I take up space. I'm not a small person. I'm a big person. I'm also somewhat fat, but you might not be able to tell. If you know my prime form, you will. Okay, good. Then the little birds. Like, I could only think of Awongile being the little bird because like he's smaller than all of us. He likes wearing a blue suit as well. So you see this little bird that splits. That's what we'll do. At the risk of sounding like I'm slandering him, I also find him a bit dispersed. Okay, good. Then, so the black bird, the bomb one, is, I'd say Tinashe is the black, like, bomb bird. Reason being, he does create big impact in our social impact challenge. He's the person who organized the second half, meaning, well, not organized the second half, but yeah, like basically he made it come together. He made it come together through his church, and this was a street cleaning exercise. So we cleaned about 5 kilometers of street, and it was as part of a national cleanup day. But in essence, he did a small motion that resulted in a big result. So then you see how like the bomb bird might like move slowly, hit slowly, so on and so forth, but when you click on it, it explodes. So then I would consider Tinashe the black bird. Alright, so the yellow bird. Zibusiso is the yellow bird. Like very there. Oh god, the song changed. I was playing the Angry Birds boss theme, fight and flight. So the yellow bird I consider to be Zibusiso because like in a very direct way this guy is a model, right? And he's very, like you look at him and you can see he's a model. He's got this like very, I don't know what it is, tropical hairstyle, like youthful face, like defined jawline, musculature, tallness, every single thing. So it's a very direct bird. So I consider Zibusiso the yellow bird. Now this boomerang bird, you see like the gray bird over there? Emmanuel is the gray bird because Emmanuel lives furthest from us, right? So Emmanuel goes out of the city and then comes back. It's not that he's, you know what I mean, he'll have an effect when he comes back, right? And it's similar enough to Zibusiso, but he goes and then comes back and he reappears in the city every weekend or so. So Emmanuel is the gray bird. And then our mentor is Mzo. So then I suppose the red bird becomes Mzo. And there are no girls on the team, so no one can be the white bird. And that is Team Mzolisi explained using angry birds.